Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about in details about string data type. Okay. So first of all, we all know string is a collection of characters. Okay. So what is a character? Character is nothing but alphabets, digit, special symbol. Any one alphabet is known as character, any one digit is known character, any one special symbol is known as one character. So normally characters are enclosed in single quotations. Okay. Next, so this is one character and one is one character. Next, at is one character. So these are all characters. Character is enclosed in single quotation. But in Python, so here string is nothing but any sequence of characters within either single quotations or double quotes is considered as a string. Okay, so there is no data type, char data type in Python. So there is only one data type, that is string. So string is a collection of characters enclosed in single quotations or double quotations is known as string. Okay. So see this example, S is equals to Durga. Okay, so here Durga is one string and it is stored in S variable. Okay, so if you want to know the type of this variable, you need to use type function. So I discussed in the previous class about type function, id function, next print function. Yes, so type is used to return the type of S. So data type of S. So the data type of S is, so what is that? str, string data type. Yes, yes. So we can define multi-line string literals by using triple single quotations or triple double quotations. So normally single quotations are used to define only one line of string. Okay, so if you want to define more than one line, multiple lines, then you need to use triple single quotations or triple double quotations to represent multi-line string literals. Okay, so normal ga single line strings ni manam single quotations lonu, alage multi line strings ni manamu triple single quotations and triple double quotations lo manam represent chestam. So see this example. So S is equals to Python program. It contains two lines. So that's why we are representing in single double quotations. So see this example. So here double quotations, triple single quotations or triple double quotations. Okay. So next. So here we can access the characters of a string by using two methods. One is index and another one is slice. Okay. So we can access every individual character of a string by using index or slice operator. Okay. So here index is nothing but Python supports both positive index as well as negative index. Positive index means left to right. Negative index means right to left. Forward direction, backward direction. For suppose I am storing S is equals to Durga. So memory is allocated for S and the data is stored DURGA. Okay. So there is a index, positive index as well as negative index. So positive index always starts with 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is, sorry. So this is 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Positive index starts with 0 and negative index starts with -1. Okay. So if you want to access any character, individual character, you need to use index. For example, I want to access R. So what is the R index? So here the name of string is S. S of R index is 2. Okay, this is the positive index is equals to S of minus 3. So you can use positive index or negative index to access the individual characters of a string. సో ప్రతి క్యారెక్టర్ని యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మనం ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూస్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఏదో పాజిటివ్ అయినా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు ఆర్ నెగిటివ్ అయినా కూడా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. లెట్స్ సీ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో హియర్ S ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు దుర్గా. సో హియర్ DURGA. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 and next -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Positive index starts with 0 and negative index starts with -1. So here S of 0 contains D. Next S of -1, it contains A. In this way you can access individual elements of a string. Okay, so next one is by using slice operator. Okay, slice operator contain 3 parts. So the first one is beginning index, end index, step. Okay, so it contains 3 parts: begin, end index and step. So if we are not specifying begin index, then if you are not specifying begin index, then it will take consider beginning of the string. So 0 1 2 3 4. So here the value is Durga. Okay, so if you want to access the data, then you need to specify begin. Okay, so I am giving begin is S of begin is 1 and next ending is 5. Okay, step is 1. Okay, so step is 1. So what is the result? So here begin is 1, so this is the beginning. Okay, and ending is 5. So 5 it will consider 5 minus 1, that is 4. So ending is this. What is the step? 1. So it will increment the value. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. In this way, after from 1 to 4, these values you can access. Okay, so if you are not specifying end index, then it will consider up to end of the string. Default value for step is 1. So if you are not specifying any step, it will take the default value as 1. ఓకే, స్ట్రింగ్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి క్యారెక్టర్ని మనము స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ని యూజ్ చేసి యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్. కోలన్ ఈజ్ ద స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్. ఇట్ కంటైన్ 3 parts: బిగిన్ ఇండెక్స్, ఎండ్ ఇండెక్స్ అండ్ స్టెప్. సో బిగిన్ దేన్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది అంటే, సో మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవాలనుకున్న క్యారెక్టర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఎంత, స్టార్టింగ్ ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంత. ఎండ్ అంటే ఎండింగ్ ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంతవరకు. స్టెప్ అంటే సో స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎంత ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేయాలి. Okay, so see this example. S is equals to learning Python is easy. Okay, so that is the string. So here I given begin is 1, end is 7, step is 1. So L is the 0 and E is the 1. Okay, next A is 2, N is 3, I is 4, 6, 7. Okay, so it will take 7 minus 1. Okay, so I already told that it will take 7 minus 1. So that's why EARNIN, it will be displayed. Okay, so next one is, so I given 1 as beginning, 7 is ending and step is 2. So first value A is printed, A value is 1. Yes, so next it will increment to 2 values. So just wait a second. So here learning. Okay, so this is not correct. So first one is E and the second one is R. Next third one is I. Okay, so Here I given 1. L is the 0, E is the 1. So that's why 1 is printed. Next up to 7. 7 means this N. Okay. So E to N. So we are incrementing 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. R will be printed. But again 3 plus 2, 5. So I will be printed. So in this way we can access the elements by using slice operator. Okay. Next, string contain mathematical operators. Those are plus and into. So normally plus is used for addition of two numbers, into is used to multiplication of two numbers. But we are using these mathematical operators in strings. So that's why plus is used for concatenation, operator into is used for repetition. Okay. So see this, print Python plus program. It will print Python program. Okay. So it will combine two strings into a single string. Next, print Durga into 2. So we are printing this 2 times. So it will print Durga Durga. Okay. So plus operator is used for concatenation. Into operator is used for repetition. Okay. So the next function is len. Len function. Len is a predefined function which is used to find out the elements, number of elements in a string. Okay. So we can use the len function to find the number of characters present in the string. So number of characters present in the string. So here S is equals to Durga. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. So if you want to find out the length of these, you need to use len of S. So S is a variable that you want to know the length of string. Okay. Print len of S. It will return 5 because it contains 5 characters. Okay. Next, finding the substring in a given string. So if you want to find any substring, okay, so here it contains Python is easy. So if you want to know is a substring of this string or not, okay, so in that case you need to use the find function. So the syntax is s dot find substring. S is a string variable, find is a function, substring is a value. It will return index. So it will return index of first occurrence of the given substring. If it is not available, then it will return -1. Okay. So Python is easy. So I want to know whether is a substring of Python is easy or not. So that's why print s dot find of is. So I want to know. So it will return the index value. Okay. So the index value is 7. Next, print s dot find z. So z is not there in Python is easy. So that's why it will return -1. Okay. So find is used to find out whether the substring is in a given string or not. Okay. So it returns the index value if there is a substring. It will return -1 if there is no substring. Okay. Next one is index of. Okay. So it is exactly same as find method, except if the specified substring is not available, then we will get error message. So if the specified substring is not available, here we get -1. So here we get error. That is the only difference between find and index. Okay. So here is 7. So z is, it will give error. That is the only difference between find and index. Okay. Next, replace a string with another string. So if you want to replace the string value, string character with another string, then you need to use replace function. So here the syntax is s dot replace of old string comma new string. Okay. So here inside s, every occurrence of old string will be replaced with new string. every occurrence. Okay, so for example, so here s is equals to Python is easy. Okay, so s is equals to Python is easy. So s1 is equals to s dot replace. So we are using replace method. Old value is easy and we are replacing easy in the place. We are replacing difficult in the place of easy. Okay, old value, old string, new string. So if you display the string, it will display Python is difficult. Okay, Python is difficult because we replaced easy in the place, we are replaced difficult in the place of easy. So that's why it will display Python is difficult. So if you want to replace one character, then you can. Okay, so for example, s1 is equals to s dot replace of. So here I given y. So old character is y. In the y place I want to store some s. Okay, so wherever the I is present, it will be replaced with s. So now the value of s1 is p y. Y place lo yes, ps thon is ea yes yes. So in the place of y we are replacing yes. So the occurrences, every occurrence of old string will be replaced with new string. Not only the first occurrence, every occurrence of old string is replaced with new string. Okay. So next one is splitting of strings. So what is meant by splitting? Splitting is nothing but dividing. Okay, so here we can split the given string according to specified separator by using split function. Okay, so by using split function we can divide the given string. Okay, so here split separator, split function is used to split the strings. Okay, so here s is equals to Python is easy. So I want to split Python separate, easy separate, easy separate, and next easy separate. So then you need to use split function. So that's why L is equals to s dot split. So we are not given any separator. So by default, it will take space as a separator. Okay. So for x, so see this carefully. For x in s. So what is the x value? S will point the first string. Okay. So for x in s. So Python is there in yes. So that's why it will print the Python. Next, x value is automatically incremented. Next is x is pointing to is. So is present in s. So that's why is printed. Next, x value is automatically incremented. Now x is pointing to easy. Next we are printing x value, then it will print easy. So in this way we can split the string. Okay, we can split the string. First, suppose it contains Python, comma, is easy. So in this situation, if you want to split, then you need to use L is equals to S dot split. So if you are not specifying any separator, it will take space as a separator. But here the separator is comma. You need to specify comma in the place of separator. So in that case, it will print Python is easy. Separate words. Okay. Next. So if you want to change the case, okay, uppercase to lowercase to uppercase, so then you need to use these methods, these functions. Okay, so what is a function? Function is a predefined subprogram which is used to perform one specific task. Okay, so here upper is a function. This function is used to convert all characters to uppercase. For example, the S contain Python. Okay, so the S contain Python. So if you want to convert these into uppercase, then you need to use S dot upper. Okay, S dot upper. So whatever there in S, it will be converted to uppercase letters. The result is Python. Okay. So next, lower. Lower function is used to convert all the characters to lower. For suppose it is S1 is equals to S1 dot lower. Okay. Next, the third one is swap case. It converts all lowercase letters to uppercase and uppercase letters to lowercase, vice versa. So uppercase letters to lowercase and lowercase letters to uppercase. Next one is capitalize function. So this function is used to convert only first character will be converted to uppercase and all remaining characters can be converted into lowercase. Okay, so this function is used to convert first character. Only first character will be converted to uppercase. Okay, so these are the four important functions. Those are used to convert the change the case of strings. Okay, so lower, upper, swap case, capitalize. Okay, సో అప్పర్ కేసు ఓన్లీ అప్పర్ కేస్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. లోయర్ కేస్ అంటే క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ని లోయర్ కేస్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. స్వాప్ కేస్ మీన్స్ అప్పర్ కేస్ని లోయర్ కేస్లోకి, లోయర్ కేస్ని అప్పర్ కేస్లోకి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ ఉంటే స్మాల్ ఏకి, స్మాల్ ఏ ఉంటే క్యాపిటల్ ఏకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్యాపిటలైజ్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హెలో అని ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ని మాత్రమే అప్పర్ కేస్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది, మిగతావన్నీ కూడా లోయర్ కేస్లోనే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో by this the complete string concept is completed. Okay, so you need to remember string is a collection of characters within single quotations or in double quotations. If multiple line of strings are available, then you need to use triple single quotations or triple double quotations. So if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.